Royal Enfield presents the new Shotgun 650 Motoverse Edition 2024, a limited version of this new model, of which only 25 examples will be made, which anticipates the series version. Built on Royal Enfield's 650 twin platform, the Shotgun 650 Motoverse Edition is a tribute to the culture of customization inspired by its forerunner, the SG 650 concept. Its colors are inspired by the motorcycles of the future, and the livery is custom designed and hand-painted, featuring neon shades and details. Each of these 25 bikes has been customized over months, making it unlike any other Royal Enfield or any other motorcycle out there. The paint and graphics you see here make up a Motoverse 2023 exclusive design, of which only 25 will ever be made and sold to those who attended Motoverse 2023. Although there will be other Shotgun 650s with less exclusive liveries in the coming months, this one is extra special because it's just for the fans who took the time and effort to attend that event.